At least I just get rid of fake account of Ate Dina Guillermo, and I said to Ate Dina, I already apologize. It will never happen again recently. But I already talked with Ate Dina. I said, Ate Dina, I will never do that again. Oh, I will never create fake account in Facebook again. So I apologize to Ate Dina. Oh, but for Paulo Cruzada and Dan Mardayo, I say to both of you, don't create too much chaos. But I already apologized to Ate Dina Guillermo. I thought Ate Mel had called in the cell phone of my parents. I said what I did to Ate Dina. I remember. But Ate Dina had already apologized. I already apologized, Ate Dina, not me. I already did. And I'm the one who's the perpetrator. And I know I'm the responsible of this. And I will never do that again. Oh, like Mark Pacione said to me. Oh, he said that, oh, don't do that again. Oh, and if you create a fake account, don't do that again. Oh, it's simple. Don't do that again. But I understand with Mark Pacione. He said to me, don't do that again. Wag mo kasi uulitin. That's the word. But I understand with Mark Pacione. And I said to him, I already talked with Ate Dina. Ate Dina, had already forgiven. And I said, she already forgiven. And she said to me, I already forgive you. Oh, I know she has no family. Oh, and I know it will never happen again. For me, if we use social media like Facebook, this is the lesson for Dan Mardayaw. Listen to Teacher May. Oh, Teacher May Tiburcio had said to me about how to use social media etiquette. Oh, don't create too much trolls. Oh, don't bully anyone. Oh, show how respected as we are. Or respect. I know Dan Mardayaw, if he's a member of the Catholic Bishop Conference of the Philippines, you remember you're a Catholic, huh? I said it. Milo Vergara said the time when there is Pope Francis, the late Pope. Oh, he said that the social media that we can use is how to understand with your others or your parents or even your loved ones. And I said, it's understanding. And I know I felt my guilt was I got misunderstanding to everyone. Oh, it will never happen again to Ate Dina. Ate Dina, actually, I've been talk with her and I said, I will never harass Ate Dina. I apologize, Ate Dina, sincerely, that it will never happen again. I made my YouTube vlog. I apologize, Ate Dina Guillermo, sincerely. Oh, it's not my parents' fault, it was me. I know this is my responsibility. And then, I said before, hindi na to mauulit. It's never happen again. Never happen. It will never happen again. But, Ate Dina had already forgiven. She just said it before. She will not file the lawsuit against me. Oh, that means hindi na ako madidemanda ni Ate Dina. So, I already settled with Ate Dina. I already end up feud with her because she labeled me as mamadali. Oh, I end up feud at her. And then I said it to her. She already forgiven. Oh. And Janica said that it was very harsh. Oh. That was from the screenshot. It was sent to Ate Mel. It's too much harsh. But it will never happen again. So this is a lesson to Dan Mardayaw and Paulo Cruzada. To both of you. Learn about understand from Teacher May. Teacher May is a teacher. Oh, in CDIFI. Oh, she said to me, oh, how to use social media etiquette. Oh, don't create a fake account or dummy accounts in Facebook. At least Teacher May was right. Oh, this is a lesson to those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, such as Nino Barsaga, oh, the ally of Dan Mardayaw, even Romeo TV Blog, oh, who were Marcos loyalists. You remember Nino Barsaga? He curses the uh, Kiko Barsaga, what he said before, PI in Tagalog words. Nagmumura pala si Nino Barsaga. You know, for Nino Barsaga, anyway, you must show a little respect to other people who are anti-Marcos. Do you want to be like Paulo Cruzada? Do you want to be like Dan Mardayaw? Gusto mo ba maging magmura, like I said? And by the way, Nino Barsaga, you are being sued as a cyber libel of cursing at Isko Moreno. You always curse Isko Moreno. Pinagmumura pa si Isko with the PI word. Now you see, Nino Barsaga, nakulong ka pala, like I said, for cyber libel. Oh, me, I was being sued by cyber libel from David Gill and his family. Oh, and now I was being sued by a cyber libel by Ate Dina. Oh, it never happened again. For Nino Barsaga, I just want to say to you, let's have a psychological test. If you're saying about bad words, oh, just like I said before, mag-psychological test tayo. Nino Barsaga. And I just want to say, Nino Barsaga, you need to stop with your curse words. Or paulan with Jess, Nino Barsaga, or Cap Calbo. You know, unlike you, Cap Calbo, Nino Barsaga, you're the one who curse bad words. I mean, I don't want to curse bad words at everyone. Oh, especially I never want to do that again to Ate Dina, to create fake account. Oh, this is hard to say. For Nino Barsaga, don't say bad words. And learn about how to use social media etiquette. Oh, at the time, I talked with Ate Dina Guillermo. I said to her, I will never do that again. Oh, I hope it will never do that again. I say to Ate Dina, I tell to Ate Dina, if you're watching this, I will never do that again. Oh, I will never do that again. I just apologize, Ate Dina. I told to Ate Dina, I said to her, I will not gonna harass Ate Dina. She's already have no family. If I have mercy to myself, I should get pity myself that I said Ate Dina is very old though. Maybe I think she will be retired by next year. Same as Ate Marie. But pag na-return na po si Ate Dina, I was asking by Jeric Silva, sino ba papalit? O it will be revealed. I hope she will bonding with her family and she can return home to the Ilocos Norte because she's Ilocano. Like Kuya Copio is also Ilocano. I hope it will return to Ilocos Norte. Ate Dina Guillermo and Kuya Copio will go home to Ilocos Norte. But except for Bangag, Bongbong Marcos, he will never return in Ilocos Norte. He might yet return to anything. None is anything. He will never return to Ilocos Norte. But it will never happen again. I talked to Ate Dina. I said, you have to return to Ilocos Norte because Ilocos is very far. Oh, and I said to her, pwede ka na umuwi sa Pangasinan. Oh, that's why. That's why she is Ilocano. Pangasinan or Ilocanos. I'm not Ilocano too. Oh. That's all. I don't want to attack Ate Dina. I talked to her. I just said to Ate Dina, I will never happen again. But I apologize to Ate Dina already. I said to her, I will not do that again. Oh, never.